Kia had to pay over $57,000 to Marco because his 2024 Sportage steering system kept failing. The dealer reset the warning light and sent him home. But a month later, the same system failed again. And this time around, the brakes were also lunging on their own. With our help, he got a full refund. And here's exactly how we did this and how you could get the same result. Kia has been on a tear. They went from budget brand to one of the most awarded manufacturers in the country, and the Sportage is leading that charge. Marco leased his 2024 Sportage plug-in hybrid, brand new in California. With payments of over $900 a month, he was getting Kia's most advanced SUV. Electric range for the commute, gas for the long trips, and all the tech Kia could pack into it. But before he even hit 9,000 miles, the dashboard lit up with warnings. A steering wheel warning and the ABS light popped up on Marco's dash, the system that gives you feedback through the steering wheel. The haptic motor had an electric short. He brought it to the dealer and they ran tests. The repair order said, performed actuation test on haptic motor and it worked normal. We said light. Let us translate that for you. They found the short. They knew there was an electric fault. But instead of replacing the part, they tested it once, saw it worked in that moment, and reset the warning light. That's like finding a leak in your roof, watching it stop raining, and calling it fixed. 1 month later, the same system shorted again, and this time, they had to replace the entire steering wheel motor assembly. 1 month later, the same steering light came back on his 2024 Sportage. This time, they found a short inside the motor itself and replaced the entire assembly. But it didn't end there. Now the brakes were lunging when he stopped, and the car wouldn't accelerate when he put it back in drive. New system, new problem, same vehicle. Meanwhile, Marco had owned his Sportage for less than a year, under 9,000 miles, and already 2 visits for the same steering failure, plus brakes that felt like they had a mind of their own. He was making over $900 a month in payments on a vehicle he didn't feel safe driving. That's not a new car experience. That's a warning sign you shouldn't ignore. Here's something that trips up a lot of people about California's lemon law. They think a repair attempt only counts if the dealer actually replaced something. That's not true. Under the law, every visit where you reported the problem and the dealer had a chance to fix it counts as a repair attempt, even if all they did was run a test and reset a light. The dealer doesn't get credit for choosing not to fix it. Marco's first visit to the dealer for his 2024 Kia Sportage ended with a reset button instead of a replacement. 1 month later, the exact same system failed. That first visit where they didn't replace anything, it still counted, and it helped build his case. When Marco reached out to us, we reviewed his repair records, built his lemon law case, and helped him file a claim against Kia. The result? A full refund of $57,000, including every payment, every fee, and every dollar that he put into that lease. The best part is he didn't pay anything out of pocket. All he gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we have helped thousands of California drivers, just like you, get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in just a few seconds.